Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese corn bread using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients, including cornmeal, all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, eggs, milk, oil, and of course, plenty of shredded cheese. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, lightly grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. This preparation ensures your cornbread bakes perfectly and releases easily. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the cornmeal, flour, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, beat the eggs, then stir in the milk and vegetable oil. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread. A few lumps are perfectly fine for a tender texture. Next, it's time for the star ingredient, cheese. Gently fold in about 1½ cups of your favorite shredded cheddar cheese into the batter. This ensures every bite is packed with cheesy goodness. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove your delicious cheese cornbread from the oven. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before slicing into squares. This cooling period helps it set, making it easier to cut and serve. Enjoy your warm, cheesy cornbread as a side dish with chili, soup, or any meal that needs a comforting touch. It's a simple, satisfying treat everyone will love. Also, check the description for a link to smart speakers and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.